You're probably watching this on a device powered by Linux, and you don't even know it. Most people think Linux is just for desktop geeks or servers, but the truth is way more exciting. What if I told you the same operating system running on supercomputers is also hiding in your smart fridge, your car, and even in space? Today, we're uncovering Linux's secret life beyond the PC. Let's start at home. Your smart speaker, smart TV, even your washing machine, chances are they're powered by embedded Linux. Now let's leave Earth. Literally, NASA's, Mars, rovers, they use Linux. The International Space Station's onboard systems, also Linux. When you need something stable enough for space missions, Linux is the obvious choice. Even cars are running it, from Tesla's infotainment systems to the software that drives autonomous vehicles. And in medical devices, cameras, and drones, Linux is the hidden brain making everything work smoothly. So why Linux? Because it's open source, endlessly adaptable, and secure. Companies can customize it for almost any hardware, big or small. It's lightweight, cost-effective, and supported by one of the most active tech communities in the world. That's why Linux isn't just surviving, it's thriving everywhere. Next time you use a gadget, look closer. Linux might be in your pocket, your car, or even orbiting above you. The world runs on Linux. You just don't see it.